So you received your Maxpeedingrod package. What you want to do is open the box and remove the packaging contents for inspection. What you will receive in this package are 2 front OEM shock replacements as well as 2 front sway bar end links. These will get installed on a 2007 Mazda 3. To do this job yourself, you will need some tools. You will need an impact wrench as well as a large torque wrench, a medium torque wrench, a small ratchet wrench, a 17mm wrench, an extension bar, a knuckle spreader, a 15mm socket, a 17mm socket, a 19mm socket, a number 5 hex key, and this is the transmission jack. It assists in controlling the knuckle and lifting it up onto the shock. For installation, first you have to remove the factory strut. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle in the air. Remove the front brake hose. Remove the ABS harness retainer. Using a 17mm socket, remove the sway bar end link. Taking off the mounting bracket. Using a 15mm socket, remove the strut to knuckle bolts. Using the knuckle spreader, spread the knuckle just enough to free up the shock from the knuckle assembly. Once the shock is loose in the knuckle, shimmy the knuckle down to free the shock. At this point, we are going to lower the vehicle, and using a 12mm socket, we are going to remove the strut tower top nuts. Once those are removed, we can lower the strut assembly from underneath the vehicle. At this point, the new shock is ready to be installed. Install the top nuts first. Using a 12mm socket, tighten the strut tower top nuts to 45 Nm. Lift the vehicle again. And now you can position the shock in the knuckle assembly. Using the transmission jack to lift the knuckle and install it properly. Once the strut is inserted into the knuckle, install the strut to knuckle nuts. Using a 15mm socket, tighten the strut mounting bolts to 70 Nm. Using a number 5 hex key together with the 17mm wrench, remove the old sway bar end link from the sway bar on the bottom of the vehicle. You received a new sway bar end link that we will be reinstalling. Install the new sway bar end link. Replace the ABS sensor line bracket. Tighten the sway bar end links to 55 Nm. Reattach the brake hose and replace the ABS line rubber grommet. At this point, you can reinstall the wheel, and using a 19mm socket, tighten the lug nuts. Once you lower the vehicle, using that same 19mm socket, do a final tightening of the lug nuts to 100 Nm. Your installation is now complete, and enjoy your new Maxpeedingrods OEM shocks.